In this video, we are going to see the topic under for the model 1, which is vector integration Stokes theorem. So under the vector integration, we have seen the last two videos about the introduction of your vector integration, and based on that we have done for walk-done problem. It is nothing but line integral, and also we have done for Green's theorem. So here the new theorem which is going to learn today, it is a Stokes theorem. So first we will see the Stokes theorem statement. Let S be a surface and let f vector is equal to f1 i vector plus f2 j vector plus f3 k vector be a vector point function where f1 f2 f3 are in the variable of x, y, z. Then for any unit vector of the surface n cap of a closed curve C, then the closed curve integration of closed curve C f vector dot ds vector, which is equal to double integration of s curl of f vector dot n cap cross ds. Okay, n cap into ds. So now the curl of f vector, we know what is that. It is nothing but it is a cross product, del cross f vector dot this n cap ds. So here n cap ds is defined. It is nothing but dy dz j I vector plus dz dx j vector plus dx dy k vector. So this is your theorem of Stokes theorems. So what is that? When you have S as a surface and you have in the vector point function also, and then for any point, okay, for any unit vector of a surface n cap which is a closed curve, then we can define the closed curve of f vector dot ds vector can be expressed in double integration of a surface. Okay, so we'll go with the example problem. Using Stokes theorem for f vector is equal to y I vector plus z j vector plus x k vector. S is the upper half of the sphere, x square plus y square plus z square equal to 1, and C is a boundary, f vector is equal to y I vector plus z j vector plus x k vector. So this is a question. So the question is directly mentioned to use a Stokes theorem, and they have given a vector point function of f vector, and also the surface has been mentioned of the, what is it, the closed boundary of C. Okay, so now as per the formula, what is that? First I have a f vector and I should find curl of f vector. Then I can go with dot of n cap. Then using the surface we can find a limit to go with the double integration. Okay, so now first you can find here from the f vector, you can go with curl of f vector. What is that? Del cross f vector. So determinant of I, j, k vectors into then next row dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z, y z x. Then next you can find the determinant. What is that? I vector into dou x by dou y will be 0. Minus of dou z by dou z is 1. Okay, and minus j vector of what is that? Dou x by dou x will be 1, and then the next one will be 0, and similar plus 0 minus 1. Okay, so in this, what is it? You will get the curl of f vector minus I vector minus j vector and minus k vector. Okay, where S is a surface, it is given in the question. What is that? S is a surface of a half of the sphere. What is that? X square plus y square plus z square equal to 1, and it is a normal become n cap which is equal to k vector. Okay, so now you can go with the curl of f vector dot n cap which is equal to I vector minus j vector minus k vector and dot product of dot into k vector. Why? Because as per the n cap of ds is nothing but dy dz I vector, dz dx j vector and dx dy k vector. Okay, so using that you can get to your n cap which is equal to, from there we need to go with your n cap ds. So first you can take it n cap, then curl dot n cap will be dot product, I will get only for minus 1. So now by the Stokes theorem, what we have, integration of a closed curve f vector or dr vector which is equal to double integration of the surface curl of f vector dot n cap ds which is equal to, what is that? You will be getting it as minus 1 into ds. So what is that? Minus 1 we have already done it. So into ds will be there, and minus you can take out, it will become double integration of ds. So double integration of dx is nothing but dx dy, right? So it is nothing but as an area, right? So where A is the area of a circle, what is that? X square plus y square, which is equal to 1. So when it is, what is that area when the circle of x square plus y square equal to 1? It is area is equal to pi r squared. So what is the r value here? R is nothing but it is 1. So it is pi of 1 the whole square, which is equal to pi. So you will get the, by using the Stokes theorem, we have evaluated from the given f vector, your answers will be minus pi. Okay. So we'll go with one more example. If 2x minus y into I vector minus y z squared j vector minus y squared z k vector, where S is the upper half of a sphere, x square plus y square plus z squared equal to 2 is closed by the curve C. Use Stokes theorem to find integration of the curve closed curve f vector dot dr vector. Okay. So here also it is given the sphere equations, and also the closed curve of f vector has been mentioned that vector point function, and we need to find that integration of your closed curve C f vector dot dr vector. So first step, I need to, as per the, what is it, as per the Stokes theorem, it has expressed in double integration of the curl, right? So first I need curl of f vector. For that reason, using your f vector, find your curl del cross f vector. What is that? I vector, j vector, k vector, dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z. So I'll get 2x minus y and then minus y z square minus y squared z. Okay. Now it is equal to, what is that? Go with your I vector into dou by dou y of minus y squared z. So with respect to y, I'll get minus 2yz plus dou by dou z of your minus y z square. I'll get minus into minus is plus 2yz into I vector. Then minus of, what is that? This term with respect to x will be a 0, and here with respect to z will be 0. Plus k vector of, again this term, what will happen? It is a 0 because there is no x term here. Dou by dou of this term will give minus 1. Already one minus will come. Minus into minus will be a plus 1 into k vector. So curl of f vector is k vector. Now, where S is the upper half of a sphere, what is that? X square plus y square plus z squared equal to 1. It is a normal as n cap is equal to k vector. So what is that? Curl of f vector dot n cap, which is equal to k vector dot k vector. So what is that? I'll get curl of f vector dot n cap is equal to 1. By the Stokes theorem, we have integration of the closed curve f vector dot dr vector, which is equal to double integration of S curl of f vector dot n cap. So substitute that double integration of S ds. It is nothing but similar like a previous. And what is that? It is an area because it is mentioned already with the what is it? The sphere equation, the circle equation. So it is equal to A. It is a area of a circle of x square plus y square equal to 1. So I'll get area is equal to pi r squared. So r value is 1 here. So you will get the integration of the closed curve f vector dot dr vector is equal to pi. Okay. So that's all. Thank you.